Windows is on its knees. It's begging me, asking me to finally land this laptop in a garbage bin and finally buy a Windows 11 capable laptop. You ask why? Because this is a Sony Vaio with an all-powerful Core i3 second generation processor, 4 gigs of RAM, a busted display, no battery, and a redeeming 500 gigs of SSD SATA storage. A true warrior of its time. Just look at this. Ugh, hate you, Microsoft. And look at this. It's just updating and it's like it's trying to kill the computer. Windows is throwing a tantrum because I'm so cheap and it's telling me, "Oh, I hate this computer, just throw it out." And I say no, because I know I can change this into this. And how do we do that, you might ask? By finally getting rid of Windows and going to Linux. Specifically with Lubuntu, which is a lighter distribution of Ubuntu. There's of course other lighter distributions, but this one is just one of the best to revive all the hardware. Just check out how it looks. It's beautiful.
You crazy son of a bitch, you're dead.
And the process is super easy and straightforward. But first, let's just do a quick cleanup. Then we install this RAM I literally found in the trash in another video. Nice, at least we got 2 extra gigs of RAM. Then we go and download Lubuntu LTS. We flash it with Balena Etcher or with Rufus, your choice. I use both because I learned the hard way that you can't install these or flash them on a micro SD card. You need to flash it on a USB stick or the install won't work. It operates efficiently, consumes only 450 to 700 megabytes of RAM, and keeps CPU usage under 8% at idle tops. It provides a fast, energy-efficient, and beginner-friendly desktop experience. Because it is based on Ubuntu, you can full access to its massive software repositories via the pre-installed Discover software system. It breathes new life into aging and underpowered laptops and desktops, saving you from hardware upgrades or purchasing a new machine. So from now on, do not let anybody tell you you are cheap and poor. It's the job of your wallet. See you next time.